Hi, are you still struggling from back pain caused by a herniated disc? You've tried some exercises but are looking for a little more? Today, I'm going to share with you 4 more exercises that are expert approved that can help strengthen your core, take off some pressure, and get your back feeling better today. These exercises are effective and safe, so stay tuned. Just a quick thing before we begin, always check with your doctor or a physical therapist to ensure that these exercises are for you, especially if you have severe pain. First, we have the seated nerve glide or sciatic nerve floss. These are really good to help take off pressure from the sciatic nerve if you're having pain down the back of your leg. We're gonna sit up tall, we're gonna kick the leg out, then we're gonna pull the toe up. And as we bring the foot down, we're gonna bring the chin down. And we're gonna kick the foot up, hold the toe up, bring the foot down, and we tuck the chin. We lift the chin as the foot comes up, and we're gonna pull the toes up, and we're gonna bring the heel back down. More advanced than this is as we kick up, as the toe comes up, we're gonna look up. Then as we bring the heel down, we're gonna bring the foot back down. And we're gonna kick up, pull the toe up and look up. And then we're gonna bring the foot back down and tuck the chin. Nice and slow tempo, 10 to 15 repetitions. Next, we have the wall press core activation, a simple but powerful exercise to engage your deep core muscles and support your lower back. You're going to start by lying on your back with your knees bent. Brace your core and press your hands into the wall. Only press as hard as you can without increasing the pain. Hold for 10 seconds, then release. We're going to repeat this 10 times. The next exercise is the bridge. It's a classic move to help strengthen your glutes and your lower back muscles, thus reducing stress on your spine. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Press through your heels and lift your hips. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then slowly lower back down. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Lastly, we have the dead bug exercise. It helps strengthen our core without putting strain on the spine. Lie on your back with your knees and your hips at 90 degrees. Extend one arm and the opposite leg toward the floor. Keep your core engaged and don't let your back arch. Repeat 10 times per side. These exercises can be a game changer when it comes to herniated disc pain. But consistency is key. Give them a try daily and let me know in the comments which one helped you the most. One more question for you. What's your biggest challenge with back pain? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more expert-backed videos that can help you with your pain. Bye.
Subscribe for more pain relief tips. Valley Rehab Physical Therapy and Return to Work Center.